This week, you are going to learn how to actually create your database and tables in SQL Server. So, Chapter 11 covers how to create the database and tables using the T-SQL language. And Chapter 12 shows you how to use the SSMS interface. So, how to use the menus and commands to create the database and the tables. And there's a textbook assignment that goes with each that lets you practice creating the database and tables using the commands and then using the interface. And textbook assignments always have videos with them. So there will be videos, showing you and telling you how to do the various commands. Then we get into the term project. So for this milestone actually has two parts. So the first part you're going to be working on this week, it is creating your term project database and the tables. You need to make sure that I have looked over your design and given you the okay to proceed with this step. Because if there's a problem with the design, that has to be fixed before you create the database and the tables, or you're just going to have problems the rest of the semester. So once you have a design that is good, then you can move forward and create your database and tables. And that is what this first part of milestone 2 involves. The second part of milestone 2 you'll work on next week, and that involves adding the data to your tables. And so I won't correct milestone 2 until the tables are there and you have added data to them, which is why this is not due right away. Okay, so you'll notice that it's not due until the following week. Okay, then we do have a unit quiz. And so that's on chapters 8, 10, 11, and 12. It's pretty much the same as our other quizzes. So it's open book, open note, no time limit. The questions are set up like the questions on the MTA exam. So they are not vanilla true, false, multiple choice. They're a little bit more difficult, but you have no time limit imposed and you can look up the answers. So if you run into problems or if you have any questions, let me know. If it's a problem creating your database or tables, you are going to need to email your SQL code to me because that is something that I need to see. I'll need to see all of it in order for me to problem solve and help you. Have a great week and let me know if you have any questions.